On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing using free traffic source. This method is one of the best because I'm going to show you a highly targeted traffic source that you can use to get many people to purchase the product that you are going to be promoting. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. Before we get into the details, I want to refresh my page so that you can see everything. So let me click on update. So let me click on it. As you can see, everything has been updated. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join, but I'm using Biggest 224. If you want, you can search for ClickBank, you can search for JVZoo, you can search for Market Health or any affiliate network that is available in your country. You can search for it. Biggest 224 is available worldwide, so you can search for Biggest 224. Once you search for it, you can create an account and then log in. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace, so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on the Marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, there are many products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different products. As I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them. So any of the products that you want, you can select it and then promote it so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. If you want a specific category of products, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see product categories. You can click on digital products. Once you click on the digital products, you will see specific category of digital products that you can promote. If you want products and animals and pets, you can click on it. If you want betting systems, you can click on it. Business and investment, you can click on it. Computer and internet, you can click on it. Dancing and music, you can click on it. Dating, relationship and romance, you can click on it. Education, you can click on it. Email marketing, you can click on it. Family and children, you can click on it. And many more. You can see a whole lot of different categories of digital products that you can promote. If you also want physical products, you can click right here, shipping products. Once you click on it, you can find physical products and the skincare to promote. If you also want food supplements, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to get food supplements that you can promote to earn money from home wherever you are in the world. Apart from selecting the products based on the categories, you can also sort the products based on what you want. So you can click right here. Once you click on it, if you want products that are popular, you can select it. If you want to sort them based on earning per sale, you can click on it. Earning per card visitor, you can click on it. Publication date, you can click on it. Or card conversion rate, you can click on it. If you also want cancellation rate, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you'll find offers that you can promote to make money from home. In this case, I have some products that I've been promoting, so I'm going to select one of them and then promote it so that you can see. But you can select any kind of product that you want. There's no restriction. You can select any kind of product that you want and then promote it. I'm going to be promoting this product right here, Pro Dentin Supplement. It's a supplement that helps people to maintain healthy teeth and gums. So if you want a product like this, you can promote it. You can see it has a high card conversion rate. You can see it right here, 27%. So there's a likelihood that when you promote it and then get people to click on your affiliate link, you can get sales. You can see it right here. It's 27%. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can be able to get more details about the product. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, affiliate support page. If you want resources to promote the product, you can click on it. So let's click on it. Once you click on the affiliate support page, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see the details. They are showing you what you have to do so that you can promote the product. You can see the restrictions. You can see the traffic restrictions. You are not supposed to use deceptive, misleading, untruthful information to promote the product. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different things. If you want resources to promote the product, you can contact them so that they will give you the resources that you can use to promote the product. Any kind of resources that you need, you can tell them. Once you request for it, they are going to send it to you so that you can use it to promote the product. Apart from the affiliate support page, you can also click on the sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you'll be able to get more information about the product. The sales page is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see before they purchase the product. So you have to always read the product landing page. Make sure that the product has a nice landing page before you promote it. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different details about the product. You can see everything. So this product, it has a nice landing page. You can see they have bonuses. You can see they have free shipping, testimonials. They have the product in different packages. When you scroll down, you can see money back guarantee. So this is one of the best products that you can promote. You can see all the relevant information are on the landing page. So when your potential visitors click on your link and then read about the product, they can just scroll upwards. Once they scroll upwards, they are going to click on order now. Once they click on order now and then place an order, you are going to be making a commission. Now, once you have seen the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting the product. So you can click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can be earning a commission. There are many traffic sources that you can use. I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is askmeclassprice.com. This website is one of the best websites where you can post your ad for free. You can see they have a lot of different categories that you can post your ad. When you scroll down, you see that many people have posted their ads onto this platform. You can see these are examples of ads that people have posted onto the platform. This ad right here, the person is targeting people who live in Italy. You can see this one is France. You can see Germany. You can see San Francisco in the United States, and a whole lot of different ads that are targeting different places in the world. You can see this one is United States, Italy, France. You can see Denmark. You can see Norway. You can see Belgium, Iceland. So any location that you want, you can use this website to target it. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be targeting the tier 1 countries. We are going to target countries where we can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for us to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can be able to post your ad to any location that you want. So click right here, register. Once you click on register, you can be able to register for a free account. Once you register for a free account and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, place an ad. Once you click on place an ad, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the category. So click on it. Once you click on it, select for sale. Once you select for sale, select the subcategory. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different subcategories. In this case, we are promoting a product that will help people to maintain healthy teeth. So select health and beauty. Just select that option. Once you select it, the next step is that you have to select the location. The location is very important, so make sure you select the right location. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any location that you want. You can see a whole lot of different locations. Select the one that you want so that you can place your ad. You can see a whole lot of different locations. In this case, I'm going to target the United Kingdom. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then select United Kingdom. Once you select the United Kingdom, you can select a region. So click on it. Select England or any place that you want. One that is done, you can also select the city. Once you click on it, you can see different cities. Select any city that you want. You can see that has been done. Once that is done, if you have an address, you can enter the address right here and then the zip code. In this case, I don't want to enter all this information, so just leave it. Once that is done, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can enter your number right here. But in this case, I don't want to enter my number, so deselect this option. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the price of the product. You can select dollars, you can select euros, you can select pounds, you can select rupee. Any of the currencies that you want, you can select it. In this case, we are going to select dollars. Once you select dollars, what you have to do is that you have to come back on this total info. Once you come back, you can see this is the price of the product, $187.90. So this is the price that people are going to pay for the product. So you can come back. Once you come back, you can enter the price right here. As you can see, that has been done. If the item is for free, you don't need to enter a price. select here for free. In this case, it has a price, so just leave the price right here. Once that is done, you can see transaction, click on it and then select buy because you want people to buy. Once that is done, click right here and then select new. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to get images of the product that you are promoting. You can search on Google so that you get images of the product. So you can open a new tab, search for production images. Once you search for it, we are going to see a page like this. Select images. Once you select images, you can see different images of the product. Right click on any of them that you want, select save images. Once you click on it, you can be able to save the image onto your device. So just save as many images as you want. Just save as many images as you want so that you can use them in your ad. Once you save the images, click right here to add images. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. The image has been uploaded. Once you upload the image, the next step is that you have to enter the title of your ad. You can type a title like this: brighten your smile and boost your health with Prodentin. Just something like this. Once that is done, you have to write a brief description about the product and then paste it right here. In this case, I have my description, so let me paste my description right here. You can see this is my description. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your affiliate link right here. So come back on Teespring. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to submit your ad. So click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you are going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see this is your ad. Apart from your ad, you can see many other people have posted similar ads onto this website. You can see a whole lot of different ads that people have posted onto this website under similar category. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see on this platform there are a lot of competition. Make sure you keep on publishing different ads so that you can get results. You can see your listing has been published. You don't need an approval. Once you post your ad, it is going to go live onto the platform. You can post to any location that you want. What you have to do is that you have to come back on Teespring. Once you come back, select a different category of products. You can see there are many categories. Just select any category that you want. Once you select a different category, come back on the classifieds website, post it to a different location. Make sure you post as many ads as you can so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. Just select different products and then keep on posting. You can see on this website, you can post to a lot of different categories. You can see the categories, you can see a whole lot of them. So just go back on Teespring, keep on selecting different products and then post them onto this website so that you can get a lot of results. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.